Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here again. So I'm gonna be doing an oil change on the car, and I'm already got Torco in it, but we didn't do a video on that. So figured why not for our L15 10th and 11th gen guys. So we're using the top of the line Torco SR5. These retail about 20 bucks a bottle. You need about 3.7 quarts in this little 1.5. So this is the top of the line Torco. There is also the SR1, but this one is the top of the line. We do offer these on our site in packages, some with Honda filters, some without, and you can go ahead and order on there. But I'm just gonna do a little quick how-to video. All right guys, under the car, we're gonna start with a 17 mil and go ahead and take this bolt out. And you can drain it, and then we'll come to our oil filter. All right, so we're actually gonna install the HPS drain plug. It's magnetic. I'll just catch some of those shavings. So we'll get that installed. All right, get the stock one off. Sometimes you need a clamp. We'll just let that drip a little bit and clean it off and put a brand new filter back on. All right guys, so whenever we change the oil, I always like to fill these up. It's just something I've always done with the oil filter. I don't like putting a completely dry one in there. So make sure to add a little bit of oil to that and then lube up that ring, just so when you take it off next time, it's not completely seized.